In today's video, I'll show you how you can make skin soft and smooth in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we have our sample clip in here, and as you can see, the quality is really good, but yeah, the skin is actually kind of too sharp for me, and I would like to make it more smoother and soft. So what I'm gonna do for that is that I'm simply gonna go into effects. If you don't have this, go into window and make sure that effects is checked and find effects here in your control or in your workspace, and then go into effects and then type VR denoise. And then you would have this one right here, VR denoise. Drag it into your video clip. And now navigate into effect controls, and then here go into VR denoise. And now in here in the noise level is that you want to set this into 0.30 ideally. And as you can see, it is now much smoother. And now I'm just going to zoom in just so that we can see the difference. So at 100%, this is the skin right here. And now if I deactivate VR denoise right here in effect controls, you'd be able to see the difference right there. So it's actually really kind of smooth now, and it didn't really take away the quality from my footage. So yeah, this is the best way on how you could do that. You can make the noise level higher right here, like you go into 0.50 right here if the footage is still rough with the 0.30. So you could go and zoom in again and see that it will now be much smoother, but again, you might lose some quality if you increase the value too high, so be careful of that. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.